In this video, I'll show you how to set up Stripe payment links. First, log into your Stripe dashboard and click Payment Links in the menu on the left. If you don't see it right away, click More and then select Payment Links. Next, click Create Payment Link. Stripe will ask you to choose a product. If you already have a product created, select it from the list. If not, click Add New Product, enter the product name, set the price, and save it. After that, choose whether the customer will make a one-time payment or a recurring subscription payment. Now review the payment link settings and customize any options you need, such as collecting customer information, allowing promotion codes, or adding a custom confirmation message. Once everything is set up, click Create Link. Stripe will instantly generate a payment link that you can copy and share with customers through email, social media, text messages, or your website. When customers open the link, they'll be taken directly to Stripe's secure checkout page where they can complete their payment. You can track payments and view transaction details anytime from your Stripe dashboard. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up Stripe payment links. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.